After COVID, I think we all had a wake-up call. I was spending a lot of money. I knew I needed to start to save, but I needed to start with small steps because of my bills. So if you feel this way, this video is for you. Hi, hello, my name is Jo and I'm doing videos about productivity techniques. So let's talk about 4 tiny little steps that you can do to save money. I did every single one and it was not easy, but it worked for me. So let's start with cancel unnecessary subscription services and memberships. Oh my god. I had so many subscriptions that it was crazy, and I didn't know that until I actually took the time to write down all my subscriptions and the prices. I'm a big fan of helping small companies, but the way that I was doing it, I was helping everybody but me. And it sounds funny, but I was taking a big chunk of money from every paycheck for, I think it was nails, beauty products, subscriptions that I didn't even need. So go through your monthly credit card or bank statement to look for recurring subscription charges. Once you've canceled any unnecessary services, and I say unnecessary because sometimes we need some of those subscriptions. If you like, you can put that money that you're saving into your savings account. Nowadays, there are apps like Trim and Truebill that are designed to help you save on subscriptions. And this is not sponsored, by the way. Número 2. Buy with cash or set a control on your card. And this was a hard one, believe me, especially now that we have Apple Pay, we have Cash App, we have Zelle and other apps. This is very difficult, but you can trick your brain every time that you go to the store by using cash instead of a credit card. And for example, if you like to buy something that makes you happy, I have to say I love to buy plants. So if you like to buy plants, set a cash envelope for plants. So talking about cash envelopes, this is the number 3, número 3. This is an awesome way to see exactly how much money you're spending. And let me explain. Cash envelopes are made to save certain amount of money when you get paid. So as the example I mentioned, if you like to buy plants, every time you get paid, you will save, let's say, $5 or $10, basically the amount that you feel comfortable. So by the end of the month, you decide if you want to use or you want to keep accumulating it. You can do this for specific bills because that will make this more serious. Because, I mean, if I was at the mall and I wanted to spend money, I was taking that money from the miscellaneous envelope, so then this way you don't break your own rules. And I learned this the hard way, but if a hurricane comes, all internet goes down, or something out of normal happens with your cards, you'll have at least money for that emergency. And the last one, número 4, set up a split deposit. And I think this could be also similar, something similar if not the same as the cash envelopes. So setting up your account to transfer money automatically to your savings accounts is great because when we don't see the money, it's better to keep it there, to keep it safe. And by the time I did this, I knew exactly how much money I could save because I did the math back when I was doing the cash envelope. And personally, I'm still doing this. I started with $20 every 2 weeks because I couldn't save anymore. But then I changed my job and I went up to $50. And when you really want to take this as a challenge and you want to increase the numbers, you have to push yourself because you have to cut expenses, which is better for you. But at the end of the day, it feels so good that you're able to see some ka-ching on your account every month that can be used for, I don't know, maybe an emergency or vacations. So tell me what you think about this video. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know if you're using a different way to save money so I can try it. And with that being said, see you on the next video. Ciao.